All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, all kinds of good stuff. 6-in-1 miners, you name it, we're talking about it on this channel with cryptocurrency. Well, today we're talking about BNB, the third or fourth cryptocurrency, depending if Tether's ahead of it or not, but BNB. Is this cryptocurrency going to surpass Ethereum? Well, there's more things that are using BNB than Ethereum. Everybody doesn't like the gas fees on Ethereum, so this is a good play that BNB could actually one day be worth more than Ethereum. We're going to find out why. Well, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. I'm also going to show you some 6-in-1 miners that all use BNB. BNB seems to be the cryptocurrency that people are using more. And Ethereum is used all the time. Don't get me wrong, I love Ethereum, but the gas fees of Ethereum people don't like. So we're going to dig into BNB here a little bit. All right, let's head over to CoinMarketCap. All right, here we go. BNB is number 5. I mean, a stable coin that's $1, we can't count it. A Tether that's $1, 99.89 cents, we can't count it. So BNB is the third biggest cryptocurrency on this chart. We got Bitcoin at number 1. We got Ethereum at number 2. And literally, stable coins at $1, I mean, that's fantastic. They're there. BNB right there is at number 5. XRP that everybody's talking about is number 6. But BNB, great, fantastic that we got some green on the board. Up 3.5% for the week, up 5.3% for the last 24 hours, trading at $308. We're going to dig into this and see what do we think if BNB could be bigger than Ethereum one day, and why. Clicking it. Well, BNB is traded at $309 right now. Again, about a month ago or a few weeks, 3 weeks ago, was at $400. And then the blood in the street that everybody has seen because of all the crypto going down and everything, the BNB has dropped. Now, I got an article we're going to go to about that. Checking everything out. It looks like it's on the uptick. Go, 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 BNB. Binance coins. Binance's own coin. Checking out the website. Binance.us. Buy and sell and trade on cryptocurrency. Trade over 100 cryptocurrencies with low trading fees. Get started today. Your new favorite app with cryptocurrency trading. Now again, we're on Binance, but Binance has its own coin, which you all know, which is BNB. Now take a look here. BNB is right here, 308. It's up almost 5%. You got the chart right here. We got Bitcoin up almost 4%. Ethereum, again, this whole thing is, will BNB one day be worth more than Ethereum? BNB is at 308, Ethereum's at 2028. Link chains right here. We got VeChain too. So, new to cryptocurrency, what does it say? Create your account in minutes. Buy crypto easy, manage your wallet, and maintain your portfolio. Again, if you're new into cryptocurrency, BNB, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, you're probably going to be using, you're probably thinking about buying Bitcoin, you probably heard about Ethereum, and there's no way you can't have heard about BNB. Recurring buys, automatically invest on a scheduled basis with dollar cost average. There's low cost trading, experience your low trading fees. There's right here, you can actually get started today. They got advanced securities, plentiful pairs, and low fees. Buy and sell and trade cryptocurrency from your laptop, tablet, and mobile devices. Get in, stay in touch. Stay in touch. Dedicated support. So why is BNB so popular? Well, it's so popular because Binance is so popular. I'm on Binance.us because I'm in the US, but Binance itself, not the US one, is bigger than anything. Select from over 100 currencies. Trade your BTC, ETH, and other cryptocurrencies in minutes. Now I'm going to go over to some miners here. All right, we're over here at Baked Beans, one of the most popular 6-in-1 miners. Guess what it's ran on? That's right, everybody, BNB. Okay, notice all these different miners. Take a look right here, Lucky Cat. Guess what Lucky Cat is ran on? That's right, everybody, BNB. Here's Roast Beef, another 6-in-1 miner. What is it ran on? That's right, BNB. Just trying to make some points here. Fried Chicken's a smaller one. Guess what it's ran on? That's right, BNB. All right, we're over here at one of the most popular ones about a month ago, Grinch Bucks. Guess what it's ran on? BNB, Panda Express. I'm not even going to log in. BNB. Here's BNB Lemon. So my point is, all these projects, these 6-in-1s, not that they don't do it on AVAX, and not that they don't do it on FTM, and not that they don't do it on Polygon and everything, they do, but the most popular miners are on BNB, because BNB is a more popular coin. Now, you would think that some of these miners, these 6-in-1s, would be on Bitcoin. You would think some of these miners on Ethereum. I don't have the answer why they don't, but they're all, for whatever reason, using BNB. I actually like the BNB because the reality is you get paid out in BNB. Here's one of my favorites, My Diamond Team V2. It pays 1.5% a day. What is it? What is the coin that it uses? BNB. So over and over and over again, all these different miners, all these different projects are favoring BNB. Let's go to this article. Binance Coin Price Prediction. We'll have 247 safely net activity this week, and they're talking about BNB. Unlikely most top alts that underwent massive retracement recently, Binance Coin was among the few that kept its neck above the water. While the likes of Bitcoin and Cardano tanked by over 47%, BNB only lost 35%. Now, again, a loss is a loss, but it's not as loss as Bitcoin and Cardano. Post last week recovered. BNB was the only top altcoin that flashed a positive ROI. BNB flashes weak micro signals, but the key thing is BNB actually held its ground better than the other coins. So that's pretty big, everybody. So my whole point here is your question you have to ask yourself is, will BNB be bigger than Ethereum? We've watched coins like Shiba Inu and Dogecoin right into the top 10 for sure, top 15. Shiba was way in 2, 3, 400 coins, and all of a sudden it's in the top 20. BNB is already the third most popular coin, taking out the stable coins for $1. Okay, again, if the dollar coins, I get it, and even stable coins aren't a perfect subject right now with other stable coins going under $1. So the question you have to ask yourself, if you're an investor in cryptocurrency and BNB was at $404 a month ago and is at $308, is this a good coin that could actually jump off the charts, surpass Ethereum? Now, again, all my information is for educational purposes only, just bringing you all these different projects that use BNB as the coin that they're doing. I actually like the 6-in-1 miners that use the BNB. The coins that are like Drip Network, think it's a fantastic coin. I think Drip is fantastic. But isn't it interesting? You have to take your BNB and you convert it to Drip, and then when you're done with your Drip, and when you have your Drip and you want to cash it out, what do you cash your Drip out to? That's right, you flip it to BNB. So even though Drip is not BNB, you convert your Drip to BNB. So Frank's Crypto Corner bringing you a little outlook on possibly thinking that BNB is a solid cryptocurrency that didn't lose as much as everything else this week. When everything bounces back, obviously you got the bears and you got the bulls. We're in a bear run right now. Things aren't going great. One day when it gets back to the bull run, will that BNB cryptocurrency surpass Ethereum? We will have to see. All right. For the fun of everything, don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. I'm not a financial planner. All my information is for educational purposes only. Click right here so you can learn about BNB Crop Farmers, one of my favorite projects, and click over here so you can learn about BUSD Crop Farmers. All right, everybody, Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner, you have a fantastic day, and we'll see you a little bit later, bringing you some insight on BNB cryptocurrency. Will it surpass Ethereum one day? We will see.